Maintenance is different than service in that a repair isn't needed, but special care needs to be given to your system to ensure that it operates efficiently, cleanly, and safely. Think of it like a car. If you want to keep it running strong and ensure it lasts, you got to get the oil changed and a tune-up periodically. The same goes for your HVAC system. Maintenance will ensure that your system is running at its peak efficiency and will save you money on energy costs. It will also extend the life of your system. It will improve the air quality in your home, something many of us don't even think about. And finally, some manufacturers require routine maintenance for your warranty to stay active. Now, these are just some broad reasons why you would want to have a maintenance plan on your system. But please understand, not every company's maintenance plan is the same. Our maintenance plans are designed to require no sales pressure from our technicians. Click below to see all the benefits that come with an SS&B maintenance plan and keep your system running stronger and longer.
SS&B means comfort to me.